Hey everyone, how are we doing? How many of you have made the base for this bag already? If you haven't yet, I have uploaded tutorials for this base in 4 parts, so please go check out. As in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to make the side of this bag, how to make the cord and the strap and everything about this bag. So basically we have 16 rounds for this base, 36 rounds for the side. The best part of the side is we have no more increases, so it would be easier. At 33 rounds we have buttonholes. In the last 3 rounds we'll be working in one color, and the very last round would be of crepe stitch round. And the tassels of your choice, of course. I have made the simple ones. Okay, so after attaching the strap to the bag, you can braid the end part of the strap like this, or you can leave them as it is like this. Either way it looks beautiful. Pull the cord and close the bag. I have made a kumi himo cord, but you can make a simple cord also. Please find the link for the written instruction in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.